Hey everyone, I'm so excited you're joining us today. With everything going on in the world, supporting our immune system has never been more crucial. Fortunately, nature provides us with amazing foods that can help bolster our defenses. Let's jump right in and explore these 5 immune-boosting foods that you can easily add to your diet. Food 1. Citrus fruits. When you think of boosting your immune system, citrus fruits are probably the first thing that comes to mind. Oranges, lemons, limes, and grapefruits are all loaded with vitamin C, a key player in immune health. Vitamin C is essential for the production of white blood cells, which are critical for fighting infections. Did you know that just one medium orange packs around 70 milligrams of vitamin C? That's more than your daily requirement. This vitamin also acts as a powerful antioxidant, protecting your body from free radicals that can cause cellular damage. So, start your day with a refreshing glass of orange juice, or add lemon to your morning water for a tasty immunity boost. Food 2. Garlic. Not only does garlic add incredible flavor to your dishes, but it also has amazing health benefits. Garlic contains a compound called allicin, which is known for its immune-boosting properties. Studies have shown that garlic can help combat infections and even reduce the severity of colds. In addition to its immune-boosting properties, garlic has antioxidant effects and can help lower blood pressure. Try incorporating fresh garlic into your cooking by adding it to stir-fries, soups, or even roasted vegetables. You'll be enhancing both the flavor and the health benefits of your meals. Food 3. Ginger. This spicy root is not only a delicious addition to many dishes, but it also boasts impressive health benefits. Ginger has potent anti-inflammatory properties and is often used to soothe sore throats and reduce inflammation in the body. It can also help with nausea and digestive issues. To reap the benefits of ginger, start your day with a warm cup of ginger tea. Simply steep fresh ginger slices in hot water and enjoy. You can also add ginger to smoothies or use it in your cooking to spice up your meals. It's a versatile ingredient that packs a powerful punch. Food 4. Spinach. This leafy green is a nutrient powerhouse. Spinach is loaded with vitamins, particularly vitamin C, and is also rich in antioxidants and beta-carotene. These nutrients work together to enhance the infection-fighting ability of your immune system. Don't underestimate spinach. You can easily incorporate it into your diet by adding it to salads, smoothies, or even soups. Lightly cooking spinach can increase its nutrient availability, so sautéing it with a bit of garlic or adding it to your omelets can be a delicious way to get your greens in. Food 5. Yogurt. This creamy delight is not just a tasty snack, it's a fantastic ally for your immune system. Yogurt contains probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that help support gut health. A healthy gut is crucial for a strong immune system, as around 70% of your immune cells reside in your digestive tract. When choosing yogurt, opt for plain, unsweetened varieties that contain live and active cultures. You can easily add fruits, nuts, or a drizzle of honey to enhance the flavor. A serving of yogurt a day can help keep your gut healthy and your immune system robust. So, there you have it. 5 foods that boost your immune system. Naturally, from citrus fruits to yogurt, these foods are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients that can help keep you healthy. Incorporate them into your daily meals and give your immune system the support it deserves. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips. We'd love to hear about your favorite immune-boosting foods in the comments below. Have you tried any of these? How do you like to incorporate them into your diet? Let's chat. Until next time, stay healthy and nourished.